Hey guys, well, just about to hand this over, put it on a tilt tray and get it out of here, and I did promise everyone a video, so I'll give you a really quick rundown of our latest build that we've done both here at the Outfitters and physically over at Garage. Predominantly looking at the PCOR stuff, so a 79 series, everyone's seen one of those. 79 series, a bit of a unique one, we haven't done wheels and tyres and a lift yet. That's to come. This guy has lives in an apartment, has a car park, just wants to test it all, check it all out before we go too crazy with big lifts and wheels and stuff and then can't fit. So it'll be coming back for that. But from the start, from the beginning, we're talking about ARB Front Bar. So we kept it in the black there to match with the PCOR tray. Sandy Torp, looks really good. GME whip antenna. Best in the business. We have that with a XRS 370 handheld or UHF. ARB Intensity lights, I run these. Pretty hard to beat them. One of the best lights out there. Really good spread, really good spot. Hard to complain. But lights is one of those things, everyone's got an opinion. So it's hard to get a bad light now. They're all pretty good. If you spend the money, you do all right. Winch, obviously on the front. Snorkel, new Snorkel's going on, and when it comes back, didn't have stock, couldn't get them from Safari. So he's leaving with the standard Snorkel and he'll be back. We'll put the Safari one on. I'll go inside, give you a bit of a look around. So in here, nothing too crazy. We've done full sound deadening. So we've used Car Builder sound deadening throughout. So we've done the firewall, the floor, the doors, and the back parcel shelf, or along the back there. Dept of Interiors center console. So you've got the cup holders. Insane to think that a car worth this much money doesn't come with cup holders or just comes with one. But whatever, it's all part of it. And then Dept of Interior roof console. So we've set this all up. I'll see if I can throw a photo up of the electrics we've done behind here. But really nice and neat job under there. Got all your sockets, your little pouches for everything. Like I was saying, we've got our GME and UHF. Neat thing with this is we've got map lights, all your controls and everything to be able to turn your lights on and off. Compressor, so we can turn our compressor on and off. And then really bright interior light now to replace the factory one. So yeah, nice simple install. Works really well. Continuing on, so the PCOR trays. Some of you might already be familiar. Aluminium, really lightweight, hard to beat, picks up the lines of the 79 really well. We've got our exterior work lights on both sides and on the back. We've gone for a half canopy with the electric setup. So this particular one has a 1000 watt inverter. Your Red Arc Manager 30 up top to manage the charge into your battery here. So we're running a 150 amp hour AGM battery in here. All your controls, all your fuses, everything all in one spot. We've got our dimmers for our lights, so we can dim the lights down, change them to orange, all that sort of stuff. Neat setup. And then we've got our pass-through shelf up top here, so we can separate off the two sections, the two halves, if you like. So we have a half on each side, or you can open this up and then pass through here things like it could be chairs. I think this guy plans on putting rifles and things through here. But yeah, really handy storage space up through there for those long items. Big drawer, heaps of storage in the drawer. Now because we've got the battery up higher, gives us a nice big storage drawer underneath. LED lights throughout, positive pressure locks, side boxes, both sides, trundle drawer on the back, PCOR tray, all this stuff standard. So it's all built into the standard model. We've got our water pump under here. So we just turn our water pump on and off, got our tap underneath. Hopefully you can see all that. Central locking to all the boxes. So that's all standard, central locking to the boxes. And then this one, we've put a TJM compressor in there as well. Just got to zip over the road now, we've got it, and stick the little inflation kit in there. But that's sort of it. So yeah, We can put a fridge in there, drop down slide if need be, but we're just going to use this for storage now. So that's sort of it. As I said, we're coming back. We're going to do a little bit more, stage 2 if you like, of the build. But really healthy start. Awesome car. Comes straight from Toyota, straight to us. Built the whole thing, back to Toyota. Gets regoed and he picks it up with Savo. So if you want yours done, get in touch, chat with the guys, and we'll help you out. Thanks.